Integrating Zoho Creator with Zoho CRM allows you to build custom applications and workflows that seamlessly interact with your CRM data. Here's how to do it. Ensure both apps are set up. Make sure you have active accounts for both Zoho Creator and Zoho CRM, ideally under the same Zoho account for easy integration. Use built-in integration options. In Zoho Creator, go to your app's workflows or form settings. Use the CRM integration option to push or fetch data from Zoho CRM. Set up API connections. Under Workflows, Actions, Deluge script, use Deluge to create tasks that communicate with Zoho CRM. For example, this allows you to create leads in Zoho CRM directly from Zoho Creator forms. Map data between Creator and CRM. Ensure fields in Zoho Creator match CRM modules so data flows correctly. Trigger workflows. Automate actions like updating CRM records when a form is submitted, or fetching CRM data to populate fields in Creator apps. Use widgets or custom views. Display CRM data in Zoho Creator dashboards using widgets or custom reports.